If you cannot remember the things that you have read, you don't have a memory problem, you have a digestion problem. For example, अगर हम बस खाते रहे without digesting, we'll get bloating and we'll get very very sick. Consuming too much information works the same way for your brain. Now the interesting thing is that different kinds of information need to be digested differently. We'll take an example of concepts and facts. This is Prelims Booster Part 2 and let's get started. So concepts के लिए, for example, things like government budgeting or how does inflation work, if you can connect to something that you already understand, you will understand them instantly. जैसे पॉकेट मनी की बात करते हैं, you all understand how pocket money works. Government budgeting is the same thing at a national scale. कुछ महीनों में you will spend a lot more than you have, कुछ महीनों में you will save a lot more. जहाँ पे आपने spend ज़्यादा किया, अगर वो आपकी saving से भी बाहर था, you'll have to borrow money. And if you don't return the money that you have borrowed, अगली बार आपको कोई पैसा नहीं देगा. Government budgeting works exactly the same way. Now, this one simple sentence helps you understand government budgeting better than a lot of textbook could. And that's the idea. There are entire subjects in UPSC preparation which are concept heavy. For example, polity, Indian economy, physical geography, and parts of modern history. So if you can connect them to previously understood concepts, they will click instantly. On the other hand, facts की बात करते हैं कि भाई Indian GDP grew at 7.4% in the last year, and Article 44 deals with the Uniform Civil Code. अब इसका किसी चीज से अंडरस्टैंडिंग में कोई कनेक्शन नहीं है, ये बस आपको रट्टा मारना पड़ेगा. नाउ देयर आर एंटायर सब्जेक्ट्स जो इस तरीके से हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, इंटरनेशनल रिलेशंस, एनवायरनमेंट, साइंस एंड टेक, एंशिएंट एंड मेडिवल. तो इन सब्जेक्ट्स में मुझे बार बार रट्टा मारना ही पड़ेगा. सो हाउ डू यू अप्लाई दिस इंफॉर्मेशन इन योर डेली लाइफ? So next time that you sit to study, before you start, look at the subject that you're about to study. Is this a concept heavy subject or a fact heavy subject? And on that basis, try and digest the information. Because if it's a fact heavy subject, बार बार repetition करना ही पड़ेगा. But if it's a concept heavy subject, if you can connect it to something that you already understand, you will get the concept in seconds.